Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a low mileage 2013 Cadillac CTS Premium Collection all-wheel drive. Stock number Z9613A. Only 37,000 miles on this one owner, local trade, clean auto check history report that we sold the CTS brand new, black diamond in color. CTS is a very safe vehicle, 5-star front and side government crash rating, keeping your family and friends safe and your insurance costs down. Seats 5 with a leather interior. And not only low miles, but very clean inside and out. Backup camera, along with rear parking sensors for additional safety. Nice sized trunk, wide opening makes it easy to get things in and out. 2 sets of floor mats, carpeted mats as well as rubber mats, great for winter. No dents or dings in the body. This premium collection has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, memory settings for 2 drivers, power seats, along with a power tilt and telescopic steering wheel that puts you in that perfect driving position, oversized moonroof. Large, easy to read gauges, again only 37,000 miles. Wood and leather wrapped steering wheel, which is heated, great for those cold winter days. Cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls, large display screen for navigation, radio, it's also satellite radio capable. This radio also has a 10 gig hard drive. Burn a CD to your hard drive. Don't have to carry it around any longer. And that is also where the backup camera display is. Hard keys below for radio, CD, and navigation control. Dual zone automatic temperature control with heated as well as ventilated front seats. Keep you comfortable no matter what time of year. Automatic transmission with manual shift capability. Lots of storage space in the armrest. USB and auxiliary input allows you to connect those media devices. Large glove box with all the owner's materials inside. Overhead, auto dimming mirror, home link transmitter for garage door opener, power moonroof, and power sunshade control. Under the hood, this CTS has a 3.6 liter V6, 318 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 18 miles to the gallon and the city average of 27 on the highway. Don't forget about the safety and security of all-wheel drive. And approximately 40% of the tire tread left. For more information on this CTS, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.